And I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS has started their hiring process, and even for 2025 batch offer letter acceptance process is also going on. Now, friends, either for registration or for accepting the offer letter, students are facing issues. Their websites are not working properly. TCS next step portal is not working properly, and this is not something new. So problem with TCS website, the next step portal, that is very common, man. That is what I'm seeing from few months or from a long time. So what I would like to tell you, friends, whatever problem you have, you send them an email. And here you could see, right? So unable to edit education detail in TCS next step application form. So one of the students, she was facing the problem in filling the education details. Okay. And she sent an email and from ILP support. So this is the email ID you see here, ilp.support@tcs.com. And they have replied, dear candidate, kindly note that the technical team is looking into the issue, would request you to bide us some time. So definitely they are going to give us some time. I mean, 15th of October will not be the last date because they have replied 2 hours back. And here you see, 4:22 p.m. And this email was sent on October 15th. So there is definitely some issues with their website. Many of you are facing. And those who are having problem with offer letter, you send email at explore.support@tcs.com. Okay. And friends, I would also like to tell you, you just go on Google and then search TCS. Okay. And here you can see email ID support. Okay. So whatever problems you have, and a lot of email IDs will come. You send email on all the email IDs, like general queries, okay, onboarding, send whatever email ID you get, you send on all the email IDs. Okay. So with respect to offer letter, email ID support for offer letter. Okay. So whatever email IDs are there, you send, you know, xp.onboarding. So wherever it is possible, you send on all the email IDs. Definitely you will be getting some reply. And they also know, see, when you have problem, when see, suppose I'm from Online Study for You, right? Now we have an email ID. Now when we start receiving a lot of email from the student, then we will come to know there are some problem and I need to give some time to the student. So friends, that is one thing. And second thing I would like to tell you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that any update like this updates are there. No, we will be giving it on our channel so that you will not miss anything. And another thing, friends, browser related problem. So don't only try in Chrome. Okay. So try with a different browser, like if you have Edge, Firefox, right? So whatever, if you have MacBook, then you try with Safari. So with different browser you try. Don't stick to only one browser. Okay. So try with different browser. Even Internet Explorer now the support is not there. But whatever browsers available are there, that also you try it out. And don't worry. So if there is a problem, then definitely they should support and you be in contact with TPO, because what will happen? Your TPO will give you a form which you have to fill, that what is the problem you are getting, and then TCS combined TPO combinedly will be sending it to TCS. Okay. And so that you will be getting extra time to fill the application or to update with the offer letter. Correct. So I hope this video was useful. I have told you what to do, what not to do. And friends, TCS preparation, if you have still not started, then TCS crash course, you should and must get it as soon as possible. Otherwise, it will be a problem for all of you. Okay. Problem in the sense, friends, see, you have less time and you want to prepare. So see, this crash course is for 2026-2027 batch based on the latest pattern. Also the previous year questions we have solved. So all those things we have already done it for you all. So thank you. Take care. All the very best. So mock test also you will get, previous year questions also you will get, a lot of content are there, which will be definitely, and bonus content AI tool workshop. So that will be also very useful for all of you. Thank you. Take care. All the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then.